Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi. This is Chin from Rasa Galindo Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, umapaw, ang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Aquarius. So, ang taas ng energy, ha? Ewan ko na lang. So, there's, wow! Sabi ko na, dahil sa taas ng energy, there's a 10 of Pentacles. A long-term success and long-term investment, no? And of course, there's a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities. Maraming oportunidad, maraming resource of income na papasok dito, no? Kumbaga, yung resource of income mo, kumbaga, maraming factor yan, no? Ibig sabihin, marami kang pagkukuhanan. No? Ibig sabihin, ito ay maaaring pang matagalan, di ba? Kumbaga, maaaring magkaroon ka na masaganang eksena dito. And of course, there's a Page of Sword, information, no? Get more information or kailangan maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon or sa paghanap ng mga informations. And of course, there's a King of Swords. So, there is an information na sinasabi maging wais, no? At maging matalino sa pagdidesisyon, lalong-lalo na sa mga plano mo sa buhay. And of course, maging high standard ka also sa mga, kumbaga, discipline, no? Discipline, and of course, mature and grounded. And of course, gamitin mo yung isip mo, no? At, sa mga bagay-bagay sa pagdidesisyon. And of course, there's a Empress card, a revert, no? Para may magsisimula na panibagong chapter dito. Or something na negosyo, hanap buhay, baka magsisimula ka or magbubukas ka ng panibagong negosyo. And of course, there is a Three of Swords and of course the Death card. Ibig sabihin dito, team, okay, may trauma dito about sa Death card. Oh my God. Ang taas ang energy ko, tapos biglang bagsak, tiyo. Kumbaga, merong gumawa sa inyo dito, no? Merong, some of you ha, may person, it's either your person or your family related na merong yumao, no? Na ginawan ng eksena, no? There is an heart disease or something, or there is an heart failure, or ginawa ng parang stroke or something, no? Kumbaga ginawa ng eksena. So, let's see, paano natin yan, no? Bigla ko na ha. Or sinasabi dito, guys, ha, baka the Death card, and of course, the Three of Swords, parang tinapos na yung, the Death card is a transformation or there's an ending and a new beginning. Mukhang tinapos na yung heartache or yung pain, yung losses, no? Kumbaga, maaaring makaka-recover ka na. And because there's an Eight of Swords in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, mukhang there's freedom, nakalaya ka na sa mga toxicities and negativities. Kaya magkakaroon ka na ng long-term success and long-term investment. So, what is the Seven of Cups? What is the Seven of Cups? There is a magician, there's a manifestation. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, may mga bagay na kumbaga unti-unti mo nang matutupad, maraming mga aspect and factors na kumbaga may paghuhugutan, may pagkukuhanan ka, no? Parang sa source of income na maraming sistema or something, parang maraming ugat ng pinagkukuhanan mo, parang ganon. Or sanga, no? And of course, there's Two of Swords, there's a decision. Kailangan mo maging matalino sa bawat decision mo, ha? So, what is the King of Swords? There's a Seven of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, there's an harvest time. Maging wais ka, no? Sa kung ano man yung pinag-iinbesan mo at magtiyaga ka lang. Diba? So, what is the Empress card? Empress card represents the world card, no? Ibig sabihin sa paligid mo, hindi talaga nawawala ang ahas. No? So, sinasabi sa dito, a transformation at the same time. At trouble, no? And because there's a King of Cups. So, see, there's a devoted and supportive person. Maaaring nasaktan ka na before at may taong darating para punan at of course, parang hilumi na sugat ng nakaraan mo, no? Kumbaga, itong tao na to ay susuporta at may taong magmamahal talaga ng lubos sa'yo. Or yung person mo, ha? Kumbaga, some of you, there's a widow di talaga nangyari dito. There's a widow, no? Kumbaga, maaaring byuda ka or byudo ka, no? Kumbaga may taong mahal na mahal ka from kumbaga, sa nangyari ditong eksena. So, there's a big changes talaga. And of course, there's a justice card. Wow, a justice will serve. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, makukuha mo yung good karma for you, no? Kumbaga, nakawala ka na sa mga negativity. So, this is the justice will serve. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, makukuha mo na yung karma, and of course, truth, diba? And of course, sinasabi dito with Ace of Swords for the Magician and the Seven of Swords, there's a breakthrough, tagumpay, diba? Magtatagumpay ka na. So, what is the Page of Swords and the Two of Swords? There's a Queen of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, ang Queen of Swords, parang malayo pa lang tanaw na tanaw mo na yung kasagutan. Yung visions na yun, nakukuha mo na into realities. Ganon, parang, kumbaga nagiging matalino ka sa decision na kumbaga alam mo na yung magiging possibilities or yung there's a consequences, parang ganon. So, let's see what is the King of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a Queen of Pentacles about sa practicality. So, maging practical ka about sa finances. So, what is the Empress card and the World card? So, there's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer, a proposal. So, ibig sabihin dito, some of you may revert dito mangyayari. Kumbaga, mabubuhay ulit yung katawan lupa mo. Or some of you, there's single mama ko na sense din dito. At the same time, baka maaari magbuntis ka. Or there's an offer na bagong oportunidad Parang oportunidad to na magdadala sa'yo sa ibang bansa. No? So, what is the Three of Swords, the Death card, and the King of Cups? And of course, guys, there's the Sun card. Wow, a pure positivity. Magkakaroon ka ng pure positive outcome. Diba? And success is coming your way. So, what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Four of Swords. Listen to your intuitions. And rest and relaxations, no? Kailangan mo magpahinga. And of course, there's a sudden changes, the Tower moment. No? May pagbabagong magaganap dito. And of course, there's Queen of Wands, stability and confidence, no? Magkaroon ka ng confidence sa mga bagay-bagay, sa ginagawa mo. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands, there's a final push. Na may mga bagay na konting tiyaga lang, malapit ka na sa rurok ng tagumpay, no? Unti-unti lang, hindi mo naman magiging kumbaga magiging agad-agad yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga may mga stages yan. Magdadaanan mo talaga yan. At the same time, nakawala ka na sa toxicities. Kumbaga, there's a good karma for you. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a manifestation in all aspects. At the same time, naging matalino ka dito, nakita mo na yung magiging kahihinatnan. And of course, sinasabi dito, maging practical ka. At the same time, there's an offer by travel or sa ibang bansa or something. And of course, there's a transformation that lead to success. Pak, di ba? Biglang overall, final push, no? Parang waiting for a result na lang. 'Di ba? Kasi ginawa mo yung best mo So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? Okay, doon may nag-aano sa akin na about daw sa love life. My God. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a Five of Wands in reverse. Ibig sabihin, na-release na yung tension of conflict. No, wala nang komplikado sa pagdating sa love life mo. And of course, there's a judgment. Parang, kumbaga, there's a wake-up call or life purpose. At the same time, there's a the Hangman. No, parang let go. Hantayin mo na lang yung taong darating sa buhay mo. And of course, the Full card. Magtiwala ka sa ibibigay sa'yo ni God. So, pagdating sa career naman, pagdating sa career, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big opportunity coming in for you with the Nine of Pentacles. A new material offer. And of course, there is a practical, a slow and steady. No? Pinapanatiling kalmado about sa finances. Hindi mo kailangan bigla ang maglabas ng pera pagdating sa kumbaga hinay-hinay at pag-isipan, klaruhin kung ano magiging, kumbaga magiging bigger feature ng plano mo. Ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging wais at least to kapag dating sa finances. At then of course, sinasabi dito, madadagdagan talaga resource of income mo. A big money coming in. So, let's see what is additional messages for Love Oracle card. For Love Oracle card, there's a mass. Mag-ingat ka, no? May mga nagbabalat kayo, not showing the true feelings. And of course, there's a clock. Time to heal. And of course, time to progress. No? Takes time. At the same time, there's an ascending. No? Sinasabi dito, a new pace, a new horizon na parating sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng ng Aquarius ha. Pasabog. Parang dito lang ako nakakuha ng konting negativity, pero it's all positive na. So, what is additional messages? Because there's rejection loss, no? Yun nga, may mga bagay na nawawala sa'yo kasi siguro way yun ni God, no? Para alisin yung mga toxicity sa paligid mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a harvest time. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng harvest and abundance. See? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a spying, watching on, looking at you. Ibig sabihin dito, meron talagang nagbabalat kayo, no? Na kumbaga sinusubaybayan ka at kumbaga hinahanapan ka ng pagkakamali. And of course, there is an abundance, presence. Kumbaga mangyayari sa present moment mo, abundance is coming your way. So let's see what is additional messages. Alam mo, may nakalaan na magandang bukas sa'yo. Pilit ka man nilang pabagsakin, pilit ka mamamayagpag ang magandang bukas para sa iyo. And of course, heart desire. Kung ano talaga gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo, no? Kung ano yung pumapasok na visions and intuition sa iyo, may isa katuparan mo kasi way yan ni God. And of course, there's a practice. Practice makes perfect. So, ibig sabihin nito, maaaring kailangan mo i-enhance yung skills mo and abilities mo para mas maging powered and perfect ka sa eksena na yan. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a completions. Na ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. No? So, ibig sabihin dito, solusyonan mo at gawan mo yung paraan, no? There's a death energy talaga dito. Ibig sabihin nito na to, kumbaga itong tao na to, kumbaga, kung yung taong nagmamahal sa o yung taong mahal mo, ingatan mo, no? Protectionan mo. Kasi may taong gagawa ng eksena dito para mawala yung happiness mo. Andito, yung happiness for love life. Protectionan mo yung love life mo. Ha? Completion, no? Nakita mo yan, yung nakita mo yan, parang mayroong yumao talaga, diba? So, ibig sabihin dito, mag-ingat po kayo, ha? Baka yung mga love life nyo dyan, baka may mga nararamdaman pala hindi nyo alam, no? Or cross-watcher out there. And of course, there's creations, no? May gumagawa pala at the same time, diba? And of course, sinasabi na creations na, kumbaga mag-create ka ng mga panibagong ideas, opportunities, and something, diba? So, what is the Monsology? Expect the powerful change, no? Mag-expect ka ng power na magbabago sa buhay mo. And because your hard work is paying off. Lahat na pinaghirapan mo ay makukuha mo na, 'di ba? So what is additional messages? And of course, there's a regret, no? May mga, ito sinasabi, 'di ba? May mga bagay na kailangan mo na solusyonan bago mahuli ang lahat. Regret, bago pagsisihan sa huli, ha? And of course, there's a fear. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na natatakot ka na o nangangamba ka na. So, gamitan mo ng confident yan. Palitan mo ng confident yung takot na yan. So, what is the Romance Angels? Romance Angels represent free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life, no? Ayaan mo bigyan mo rin yung sarili mo ng pagkakataong makontrol mo yung situation. So, what is additional messages? And of course, Whale and Orca Elders, share your song, frequency of sound, dividing depth. So, ibig sabihin dito, enjoy your life for the fullest. Mas maganda yung manahimik ka na lang. 'Di ba? Para at least, 'di ba? Hindi nila alam nagsasucess ka na at the end of the time. And of course, Starkeeper, Cosmic Ancestors, see the light by staying grounded. Kung ano man ang meron ka, diba, manatiliing ang paa mo ay nakatapak sa lupa, no? Huwag kang magmamataas, huwag kang mag-aangas-angasan or something. Panatiliin mong kalmado at mababa ang kalooban mo, diba? Kasi the more na mabuti kang tao at talaga mababa ang sarili mo, hindi ka nagiging mayabang. At then, kumbaga, hindi na mabago yung sarili mo, mas lalo kang inaangat ng ating Panginoon. And of course, pass over loved ones. So, there's a support, no? May support dito ng ating ancestors. At the same time, there's an evolution for information. So, ibig sabihin dito, may pagbabagong mangyayari sa'yo. Kumbaga, you have a potential, no? For a new generations or new horizon na mangyayari sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional energy. Hostilities, protect your power, protect your energy, and appreciations. Kumbaga may mga bagay na binibigay sigad na maliit man na bagay, kumbaga nagpapasalamat ka, no? At talagang mabusila kang puso mo na kahit ano man yan ibigay sa'yo, maliit man yan na malaki, nagpapasalamat ka, 'di ba? And of course, door to the personal healing and happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng kagalingan at kaligayahan, 'di ba? And of course, the storm warning. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Mag-ingat ka, may unos na mangyayari sa eksena nyo. Ito yung death eksena na to, death, and of course, there is a completion, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko, di ba? May gumagawa sa person mo ng kakaibang black magic involved, pero kailangan mo proteksyonan yung love life mo, ha? Or sino man yung mahal mo sa buhay, no? Tignan mo na kagad yung palad kung may gawa ng tao, no? Pagpantayin mo yung dalawang hiniliit para ma-sure mo kung may gawa talaga ng tao. So, what is the Archangel Michael? Archangel Michael represent, decide to be happy now. Kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon. And prayer will help you from this situation. Magdasal ka lang daw at makakatulong yun sa sitwasyon mo. And of course, take your time to making decision. Pag-isipan mo na maraming beses bago ka mag-take ng action, ha? So, what is Archangel Raphael? Unconditional joy. So, ibig sabihin, walang paglagyan ng kaligayahan mo. Or, kumbaga, ang kaligayahan mo ay, kumbaga, hindi nasusukat ng kahit anong bagay. Forgive and you shall forgiven. Napatawarin mo para bigyan ka ng kapatawaran, no? Ng ating Panginoon. So, ibig sabihin dito, hayaan mo si God ang gumawa ng way sa mga bagay o kasalanan na ginawa nila sa'yo. Bagkos, solusyonan mo yung mga problema pinagdadaanan mo or proteksyonan mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, what is the angel's number? So, sinasabi dito, there's a 222. I am a balance. So, sinasabi dito, trust the seeds of your thoughts and growing as you are nourishing them with words and feeling and action. So, ibig sabihin dito, maging balance ka sa mga binibitawan mong salita at mga iniisip mo, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga, kung ano man yung mga tinanim mo, ano may mga bagay na yan, siya to nga anihin mo, no? Kung ano man yung good energy na yun or bad energy na yan, there's a what goes around comes around. Kumbaga, pagmasdan mo yung mga actions and of course thoughts mo, maging balance ka. So, what is the angel's messages for? Messages of life. Forgiveness. So, let's see. Today, I bless each soul I've received to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my past provides me the lessons and help me live more fully in the present. I no longer struggles with what has been said and done. I am grateful for everything experienced that has brought me here. I feel myself with the love and for pure and free. So see, palayain mo yung sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, patawarin mo sila hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo, para hindi ka maka-attract ng mga negative energy. Hayaan mong kung ano man yung mga ginawa nila, Diyos na ang bahalang gumanti sa kanila. Bagkos, proteksyonan mo at pangalagaan mo ang sarili mo, 'di ba? Hindi naman ikaw magdadala niyan, sila. So guys, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Aquarius. Maraming salamat Aquarius for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig nag-uumapaw na biyaya ang bumalik sa inyo. And of course, don't forget, this reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan kayong sulok ng mundo. Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!